The virtual recruiter agent does two functions extremely well. One, it can search candidates from any large candidate database. It runs through the CV and you just have to give a simple prompt and it's going to fetch you the relevant candidates. No need of Boolean logic, no need of any fancy ways to source candidates at all, right? Simple prompt can help you get candidates. Two, this is not the end. It's going to reach out to the candidate in phone and in WhatsApp, and it is going to check whether they're going to be a good job fit, just like how a recruiter would do during the phone screening round.
Hello, Dravid Kumar. Welcome to your interview with your friendly interview bot.
Hello.
Great to have you here, Dravid Kumar. Let's start with your interview. Begin with the first topic. Are you proficient in Python?
Yes, I'm proficient in Python.
That's great to hear, Dravid Kumar. Can you tell me about a recent project where you used Python? What specific libraries or frameworks did you utilize?
I used to work with REST API, where I used to implement Fast API and also SQL Alchemy for database connectivity.
Thank you for your answer, Dravid Kumar. Using Fast API along with SQL Alchemy sounds like a solid combination. Now, let's move on to the final question. What salary are you expecting for this role? Please provide a number between 10,000 and 20,000.
15,000.
Thank you, Dravid Kumar. That was within the range. Okay, Dravid Kumar, that concludes the interview. You can leave the call now. All the best.
The conversations that happen in a phone call or WhatsApp is going to be a brief 25 to 30 second conversation, but that is enough for the AI to decide whether the candidate is going to be a good fit for the role or not. Remember, the AI interviewer does L1 technical interview. The virtual recruiter does just the work of a normal recruiter.